This, on the other hand, is no tractor. The Alfa Romeo 8C 2300 Monza. Powered by a 2.3-liter supercharged straight-8 engine, the success and failures of cars like the Monza is what caused Enzo Ferrari to take his Scuderia Shields and put them on his own cars. An original Monza is a priceless piece of automotive history and would rarely, if ever, come up for auction. If you could get one, it would be in the tens of millions of dollars. Persang would be happy to sell you this one for the totally reasonable price of $450,000. It would take a nerd of epic proportions to spot differences from the original, but the question remains, how does it drive?
Here we go, we're driving. All right, double clutch first to second. Oh man, okay. Scary as hell. It's